Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread on a grill. First, prepare your favorite cornbread batter as you normally would, following the package instructions. Next, preheat your grill to a medium-low temperature, aiming for about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. A cast iron skillet or another oven-safe pan is ideal for grilling cornbread, ensuring even cooking and a delicious crust. Make sure your pan is well greased. Once your grill is preheated and your skillet is hot, carefully pour the cornbread batter into the greased pan. Place the skillet directly onto the grill grates. Close the grill lid to allow the heat to circulate evenly, mimicking an oven. Cook the cornbread for approximately 20 to 25 minutes or until it's golden brown and cooked through. Avoid peeking too often to maintain consistent heat. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of the cornbread. If it comes out clean, your cornbread is ready. Carefully remove the hot skillet from the grill using sturdy oven mitts. Allow the cornbread to cool in the skillet for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This resting period helps it set, making it easier to cut and serve. Enjoy your perfectly grilled cornbread. For an extra kick, consider adding shredded cheese or diced jalapenos to your cornbread batter before grilling. Grilled cornbread pairs wonderfully with a variety of dishes, especially chili or barbecue. Serve it warm with a dollop of butter or a drizzle of honey for a truly satisfying treat. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.